Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Jessica, and today I have a super quick last update for you because we're getting to that point. Alright, so this is the Panner's Pan. I have been doing this since September 1st of 2020. It was created by Liz. She's over on Instagram as Shiny Happy Pans, and it is all about paying homage to other project panners. And I love the concept of this project because I love the panning community. But it became stressful for me trying to figure out things for people because everything is so nuanced, and I'm a bit OCD, like clinically OCD, and I struggled with it. It gave me anxiety, so I decided, you know what, I'm just gonna finish off whoever is in here, and then I'm just gonna stop. I will still love and support and watch other people doing this project, but I just felt it was best for me to go ahead and just finish it out. So I'm not finishing it today, but this is the last time I'm going to update until the finale, and I'm going to have to remember to text Paula that I am winding this down because I know she wants to do her finale when I do mine, and I think it's going to be soon. All right, so the Panner's Pan, the last person I have in is Jenn from Project Beauty, so of course I'm going to have her listed down below. Everyone that has ever been in this project that I've worked on is going to be down below, and you can go check them out if you want to discover some new panners or like rediscover some panners that maybe you haven't watched in a while. So Jenn, I love her eye looks. She's so sweet. She is so unbelievably sweet, and I love listening to her little boy in the background when she does her videos. Just love him to pieces, even though I've never met him. But if you've ever seen any of her Instagram posts, if you checked her out on YouTube, you know she does some of the most amazing eye looks. So I, of course, brought in an eyeshadow for her, and I happen to be wearing it today. And it is the Coastal Scents Forest Eve. I barely had pan on this when I brought it in, and it has taken me a very long time to get to this point. I just repressed it in a Franken Friday, and this is all I have left. Nothing on the edges, just that little bit in the center. And I really think I can have this done in a month. I know it seems like a long time, but it's a shade that I'm not going to wear every single day. I can do it on my lower lash line, but you don't use a whole lot using it just on your lower lash line. But I will do that. But yeah, I think I can do like a green look once a week, and then also do it on my lower lash lines, and I'm gonna get this one done. It will be so very satisfying when this one is finally finished off because it's been a long time coming. And yes, I do have feet visiting me today. So yeah, that is my short and sweet update, my last update, and hopefully I will remember to text Paula and let her know. If you happen to, jump on one of her videos, just mention it to her in case I forget, because I'm a forgetful person sometimes. So my daughter was trying to show you that she's reading my Ghostbusters book because I like Ghostbusters. I'm usually very secretive about that, right? All right, so I'm going to go ahead and wrap this up. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And until I see you on my next video, have a beautiful day.